Oh, AJ's rolling with us today. Tyler's 12C's finally here. We got the whole Porsche crew. Yeah, Rob brought his Carrera. We were in the Rampage. Time to have some fun. What is going on, guys? I'm Wash Ergo, and today we're here at Tyler's Car Barn. Zach's here, and we're gonna go eat lunch. Let's go. What's going on? What's up?
You have to ask them about their reaction. They had no clue we were coming here.
Oh, you guys didn't know we were coming here?
Nope.
Did you know the 12C was here?
Wait, the 12C where?
The McLaren?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You knew it was here?
No.
I said, if you guys be good, I've got a special surprise for you. I'm not going to tell you about it.
That's awesome.
I'm like,
Drove up and they're like,
car surprise.
is this Tyler Hoover's place?
well, Mom's like, she's like, it's somewhere that you've never been before.
Yep.
Yep.
And I'm
She's
like,
right.
And I'm like, where's something that I've never been to?
I come here every time I'm on a motorcycle and I bang on the door to see if Tyler's here and he's never here. I'm like, where you at, dude? Tyler's flawless Miata here. Check this out. Unbelievable. Man, the doors even sound nicer than mine. Just opening the doors. Wow. It smells new inside, guys. I don't know, like Tyler said this car was nice, but it is flawless.
What's the odometer? 132?
32,000 miles. 32,000 miles.
32?
Oh, it doesn't have cruise though. I'm glad I have cruise.
It has 32,000 miles.
I have electric windows,
yeah.
But I'd much rather have these. My windows take, you know,
An hour and a half to roll down.
it's like 10 seconds, but it's pretty pitiful.
And then you're like, are they gonna go down or are they gonna go up?
Will they go
really
up?
hope so.
Man, this car's clean.
Yeah, wow.
Beautiful. It smells so good. Sweet.
Doors closed.
The
nice.
doors close super nice.
Dang. Jelly.
Miata love.
Just keep going until you hit something.
Oh, you got another foot. We gave Jake my Honda Fury. Somehow he texted me and said, "Can I take your Fury?" And I answered him back like 30 minutes later. I was like, "I don't think you have time to get here and get my Fury." And he like walks in the door. 1 second later, he's like, "I was basically already here." But the Rampage is a champion, man.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, I mean, why? You want to drive
well,
this?
the SLK sticking back if one of you guys wanted to drive that.
Oh,
The
Ann's SLK?
Yeah, right there.
Zach, you want to roll in SLK?
Sure. Can I have a drink in there if I don't spill it?
Fine.
Yeah.
Man, we have a row of cars now. This is going to be a blast. What a drive this is going to be. It is already turning out to be super fun. Bob's over here in this Corvette Stingray. Tyler's right in front of me in the McLaren. Rob's behind me in his Porsche Carrera. Sorry if there's wind noise today, guys, but it is the first nice day of 2019. By far. It's gonna be 65 or higher even, because it almost did 65 yesterday. That's 18 Celsius, and I mean, it's a beautiful day. We've got all these cars out bombing down these back roads, just having a blast. This is what the channel was meant for. Having fun with friends. So Ann's rolling with Tyler in the McLaren. She left the AMG SLK, so Zach jumped in that, and he is loving it back there. That flyby he did earlier was amazing. Gotta be a fun little car to drive. Let's see what my Fury sounds like. I've never been beside it on the highway. love that thing's pop so much. You just crank it up close to the red line and back off and pop, 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 pop. Yeah. There's 4 super fun curves right there in a row, but this thing's front end was sliding around. I was like, more brake. I wanted to get into it super fast, but the roads are still covered in sand, so we'll let the all-wheel drive guys rock and roll through those corners. Well, that was pretty fun.
That was a lot of fun.
Our fun corners were definitely covered in sand, though.
Yeah, you get a little slidey.
Yeah. I was like, man, these brakes work really well.
Where?
The fun corners.
Oh, I about pooped myself.
Did you?
I was like, why is everyone sitting down? Oh, and then locked up.
And then that tiny little front tire starts like...
Yeah, the front tire starts skating everywhere, the back one's locked up. I'm like, this doesn't stop.
You realize the guy on the naked sport bike chasing the Mclaren was not something you really wanted to keep up with?
I'll keep up with you.
I was keeping up.
Put me on my bike.
Yeah, that was
Full commit.
Oh yeah.
You just have to let that thing slide around sometimes.
That's
it's
the only way to ride
yeah.
it. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm sure.
More and more throttle, and it's like, it just eats it up. I don't know, it's crazy. What's up?
We made it.
We made it.
Isn't it fun?
Wait, how was the SLK?
It's a lot quicker than I anticipated.
Yeah, I know.
130 comes up real quick.
It's
On Mexico.
Secretly, that's 130 kph, don't worry.
Oh, yeah.
Table.
Thank you for coming, guys. Thank you for coming. Why are you vlogging?
Stuff.
You guys can see me over there.
Zack. He's gonna take the Rampage. You got an SLK sauce? Very nice. Thanks, bro. I want to drive this SLK beast. Lunch was great.
Yeah, that was really good. Really good.
Are you gonna air scarf?
Air scarf. Yeah. Gotta
an air scarf.
Yeah, gotta have an air scarf. Ann's Mercedes SLK 55 AMG. Also Lamborghini's dream car now. Let's fire this thing up and get rid of that top. Sounds cool when it starts. And here goes the top. Tyler was like, the Mercedes is not the star of this show. All right. Nice and quick. Fire up the air scarf. Heated seat on 1. Seems like a solid combo. Let's go play. The air scarf is incredibly hot, actually. I did not realize. This little car is an absolute blast. I was not expecting it to be this fun. If there's any drawback to this car, I'd say it's the steering is incredibly light and the car is also incredibly light. So we're driving in really high sustained winds today, and we're just doing the speed limit on the highway, and it's really throwing me around. If I keep a super light touch on the wheel, I can keep it straight down the road. But it likes to push me from side to side in my lane. It's great to drive. It's got plenty of power. Transmission feels great. The engine delivers it well. And I think that's a Model T up there with the overdrive transmission swap and everything. That guy is on the highway and he's moving. He must be doing 50, 55. It might be an A truck, but it sure looks like a T. That air scarf is no joke. I was like, yeah, it's probably a Mercedes gimmick. Man, you're like surrounded by this warm blanket of air that just blasts on your neck. It kind of feels like you get a sunburn.
Yes, it's an LS Swap Miata in a tuxedo. It's very, very nice.
That's awesome.
Yes.
It's very light, really light on its feet. A little too light in the wind. It was pushing me around a lot, but honestly, it drives well for what it is. I love it.
Yes.
How's this? It's your first real drive in the thing, right? You finally put miles on it.
It's exactly what I wanted, which is a comfortable supercar.
Awesome.
Yeah. Yep.
It sure makes all the right noises. That was a blast.
Well, I can't hear them over the noises I make. oh, the orgasmic noises.
What are you doing? Well, the tag for the Jag finally showed up. Tag Jag. Anyway, we're gonna get the 60-day tag out of here, go wash this thing real quick, run to AutoZone, get some license plate bolts because I'm pretty sure I don't have any. We double check, triple check. And we definitely don't. And then it's time for the Super Bowl. Things I learned today. The cup holders in the S-Type R are asymmetrical. This barely fits or fits very well depending on how you look at it. And this fits flawlessly. It actually grabs the bottom right where it should be. Really strange. Also, my first one of Kansas's printed license plates. Instead of, we used to have the pressed ones where they pop the numbers out and everything. And yeah, these ones are printed and sent to your door. Trip to O'Reilly's, license plate bolts. I know I have tons of them, but
spending money's more fun.
You can never have enough, right? What are we doing here?
I think you need the Super Bowl skulls.
Yeah, the skulls would be the move. I was thinking just something nice and simple, but the skulls. Because we're going with a traditional Phillips screw. Should work pretty well. Let's throw this tag on in the parking lot. I love the comments that complain about my tags. Our tag game is strong. Now we just have to get these like 1-inch Phillips screws into the tag. I wish I had my impact to run it down.
How's your wrist feel?
Tired. It's already over. We are gonna go ahead and hop on this dirty old boy for the first time since the Springfield, Illinois trip this year. It has been a very long time since I've ridden this bike. And there's only one reason why we're doing it. Because I have to take this to Tyler and I've had it since Christmas. Well, that was supposed to be one of those cool videos where the object is in frame the whole time and I held the Coke bottle there with the Hoovie's Garage logo the entire time, all the way over to his house, and I handed it to him in the garage, and you got to see his new dog some more. But the camera battery died like the second after that last shot. So maybe I should change my camera batteries before I go on a ride where I can't hear the camera. Either way, this day was awesome. We had a lot of fun going up to Newton, having some lunch, and rolling around with the Mclaren. And thanks for watching. Glad you guys came with. And that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Super real quick.
Bye, Daniel. I'm gonna do the outro.
Are you?
Yeah.
All right.